see.
So Nature Republic recently sent me their new spring summer collection. So I'm really excited to try this out today for you guys because I love summer colors. Nature Republic is more known for their skincare, especially in the US. They have a lot of skincare stuff and they don't have a lot of makeup stuff internationally. But in Korea, they do actually have a lot of makeup. And you know, I had to try this stuff because my boys of EXO, they are the faces of Nature Republic, okay? So you know I had to try some stuff. So they sent me this box full of goodies to show you. And inside they sent me their 10th anniversary palette, this beautiful sort of brownish, reddish palette, and it has some shimmers and some mattes. They also sent me these, which are their gorgeous liquid glitter eyeshadows. And they also sent me some lip tints. They sent me 3 of their lip tints. I was looking on the internet trying to find out where you guys can buy these things. It looks as if they're only available on the Nature Republic Korean website because I tried looking on the American one and the Canadian one and they're not there. So I think I'm gonna put my hair up for this. You know, she looking large and in charge right now, but we're gonna tame her a little bit with my cute little scrunchie. This is my favorite hairstyle to do. I'll just like take the back section of my hair and pull it up. Okay, so I went on the Nature Republic website, the Korean website, to see if I could find any of the stuff that they sent me. And keep in mind that everything on this website right now is translated by Google into English, so it's gonna be a little bit off. But here we have the 10th anniversary Pro Touch Color Master Shadow Palette. I assume that's what it's actually called, and it looks like it retails at about 25,000 won. And then right below it, we have the Twinkle Furry Shadow. Twinkle Furry Shadow. What are these actually called? It's actually called the Twinkle Pearly Shadow, but sure, Google Translate, furry it is. I found the lip tint as well down here. According to Google Translate, it's called Do It. I'm pretty sure they're just called Dewy tints, but according to Google Translate, it's Do It.
Do it now, lick it good, suck this pussy just like you should.
And then these are the 3 colors here. So we got number 1, number 2, and number 3. Number 1, according to Google Translate, is called Saccharum Cerubia. According to the package, it's called Cheeky Salvia. You almost got it, Google. Almost. Excellent. So let's get started with actually putting this stuff on my face. I'm going to put on my base makeup and get back to you guys. Okay, I'm back and I just found something that was really hilarious to me. I haven't touched the palette yet, so I haven't really taken a look at it, but this palette is actually a little misleading. As you can see here, the colors look very rich and dark, just looking at it like this with the cover down, but the cover actually, watch this, look how much lighter everything is. It has like a filter on it. It's like darker. See that? So when you look at, what the? Why are you trolling me, Nature Republic? Look how different that is. Oh, come on. Anyway, we're still gonna put this on our face. So the first top 2 rows here are all shimmers and then the rest are mattes. I'm gonna start swatching some of the shimmers. Looks like there isn't very much pigment at all. Let's see here. Like it's there, but you know, it's very, very subtle. It's just a very slight shimmer. Yeah, the pigment on this pretty low. We're gonna try it out. I'm going to start off with this color right here as a base. Just putting it in. There is some fallout. Yeah. And where is my 3C mirror? Ugh. I gotta flex on them with the mirror, you know. Oh, that's very nice. I know I only put it on for like 2 seconds, but it's definitely showing up. Oh, it's surprising me. Oh, hello. Oh, what a pleasant surprise. This is my color. This is like the color that I wear on my lids like every day. Obviously, I can't try all 30 shades for you guys, but we're gonna do our best today to come up with a nice look with maybe 3 colors. I'm gonna take one of the golden shimmers here and I'm going to try applying it with my finger. I don't know how it's gonna work because it's not super pigmented, but I'm gonna try. Hold on, let me just clean my fingers off. So I'm just going to rub this with my finger. Get real in there. It's like a champagne-y kind of color, which is my jam. You know I love that champagne. You know I love that bubbly. So just gonna oh yeah, like barely anything's coming off. It's extremely subtle, which is fine, but just letting you guys know, if you're coming here buying this palette expecting some extreme pigment, that's not happening, honey. Okay, she is very soft and gentle. I'm just gonna put it all over the lid because it's just so light that we can get away with putting it all over the lid and not looking crazy. Like even when I press my finger down, still not really much comes off. So I mean, you're definitely not gonna get like a really dramatic sparkle on your eye like for example the Stila liquid eyeshadows. Those you're gonna get some drama, but these not so much. And then I'm gonna go in with the, which one do I want? I'm gonna go in with the darkest brown and just applying a little bit to the outer corners just to add like a little bit of depth. You could also use a small brush, like an eyeliner brush or a eyebrow brush, dip it into the darkest one and use it as eyeliner, but I'm so over eyeliner right now. All I do is I just take a brown eyeshadow and apply it to the outer corner, and it gives a little bit of depth to the look without having to put eyeliner on. But if you want to put eyeliner on, go ahead, girl. You go ahead. You go, girl. You do you, boo-boo. So if you want more drama, we have the liquid eyeshadows. So this first one here is called Flash Rush. I'm just gonna swatch them on my hand for you guys, and then I'm gonna pick a favorite and actually put it on my eye. So this is number 1. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh. And this is number 2, Shine Melting Rose. Beautiful. It's more of a rosy color, obviously. And then the last one is called Brilliant Beach. I think the first one is my favorite. My only issue with these liquid shadows is that sometimes they're too liquidy and they just take your eyeshadow off, which is really annoying. So I hope that this doesn't happen. So I'm gonna try it on this lid first and just see how it applies like straight off the... Oh my god, it's so pretty. This really reminds me of the Stila ones. Similar consistency. I feel like the Stila ones are a little bit thicker. I'm using a really light hand right now because it's super pigmented. You don't need a lot. Oh my god. Ah! Jesus. And try to use swiping motions and not dabbing motions, because I find like the dabbing motions really, that's what makes your eyeshadow come off. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit, and then I'm gonna just like pat it in a little bit and blend it. I'm just gonna put on some mascara, and then we will move on to the lips. So now we have the lip tints that come in 3 shades. You know, lip tints are my favorite part of makeup. So this is the first shade here, number 1. It is called Cheeky Salvia. These smell like lollipops. Oh, and they just remind you of summer. The smell, I love it. Tasty. Makes me want to eat it. Ooh. This shade is a really nice cool toned red. I love the texture of these. Very soft, very airy. Sort of reminds me of Petty Petta Airy Velvets. That's kind of the texture that these are. The second one is number 2, called Shy Rose. So this is obviously more of a rosy color. So yeah, this is like a rosy pink. And then the last color, which is my favorite color, is called Thrilling Daisy. And this is more of like a orangey, bright toned red. So those are the three. So I'm just applying Shy Rose right now. And then I think I'm gonna mix it with another color. What should I mix it with? I'm gonna mix it with the darker one. What is this one called again? We're gonna mix it with the Cheeky Salvia. Just hit a little bit in the center. I really like the colors, but it is difficult to get like a full pigment because it is a lip tint. It is difficult to get full pigment on my really dark pigmented lips, especially up here. I find that it rubs off easily and you can see like my dark lips underneath. So that's the only issue that I have with these. I just want to put on a little bit of blush to like complete the look, you know, like really bring everything like together. Oh, by the way, I'm using Hollyhock from Darcei. Okay, so this is the finished look, guys. This is actually so cute. I love the color combo that I did. In conclusion, this palette is actually really, really nice. Like I said, it's not super pigmented, especially the shimmers are not really pigmented, but I'm really liking the mattes. Despite the misleading packaging, the colors definitely show up on my skin tone, which is really something that obviously I am looking for. So I'd say this is a go if you can find it. As of now, I can only see it on the Korean website. They got the websites that you can go on, girl, and get your stuff, okay? So you just gotta do a little Google search. These babies, oh my god, definitely get these. 1,000, 1,000,000% pick up the liquid eyeshadows. They're amazing, they're beautiful, they blend nicely. They don't take off your eyeshadow when you put them on. Really, definitely 100% grab these. And as far as the lip tints go, I do like these. They remind me of the Petty Petto ones a lot. They have a very similar like creamy moussey kind of texture. They smell amazing. They smell like summer. Oh my god, so my camera died, but I was talking about the lipsticks and pretty sure I left off where I was talking about how good they smell. But like I said, on my pigmented lips, it's really hard to get like a full coverage, obviously because it's a lip tint, especially on my top lip because my top lip is a lot darker than my bottom lip. But if you don't have super dark pigmented lips like I do, then these will be totally fine. They're really good quality and they smell so good. I feel like the stars of the show were these guys. These guys, oh, so beautiful. I just can't stop looking at my eye. Oh my god. So I'm really excited to wear these during the summertime. I am definitely going to be using these. Watch out for these in my tutorials, okay? If you guys can find these on Google, then definitely go buy them. I say they're all worth buying, but I was looking up prices for this one and it looked like people were really jacking up the prices on other websites, so it's up to you. But anyways, guys, I am starving. It's almost 1 o'clock and I haven't eaten yet because I'm just so dedicated to my craft. I've been working all day. But anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. You know what I'm about to say. I love ya so much.